Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make Rogan Josh from scratch. Before I start, please take a second to like and subscribe. Thank you. To make Rogan Josh from scratch, you will need 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 small brown or white grated onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1/2 teaspoon of chilli powder, 3/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of mild curry powder or mixed powder, 60 milliliters of tomato puree, 300 milliliters of water, 1 sliced tomato, 6 to 8 pieces of meat, vegetables, paneer or tofu, cashew paste, 2 tablespoons of plain yoghurt, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves or kasoori methi, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and 1/4 cup of fresh chopped coriander for decoration. To make the cashew paste, simply add 50 grams of cashews in a blender to create a fine powder. Mix with a little water to form a fairly runny paste. Start by heating the oil on medium and fry the onions until they are starting to turn golden. Turn up the heat and cook the garlic and ginger paste for around 30 seconds. Add the salt, paprika, chilli, cumin, coriander, turmeric, sugar and curry powders and cook for a further 30 seconds, stirring continuously. Add a little water if it's looking a bit dry. Water down the tomato paste a little. This will help it to mix easier. Then add it together with the water and fresh tomato slices. Turn down the heat to medium and simmer for around 5 minutes. Add your choice of meat. then the cashew paste and yoghurt. Simmer until the meat is cooked and the dish reaches your required consistency. Finally, add the fenugreek and garam masala and stir through. Sprinkle with the fresh coriander and serve. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurried.co.uk.